Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to mute notification in a Facebook group using your Android phone. If you are getting too many notifications from a Facebook group and it's becoming annoying, don't worry, I will show you exactly how to turn them off or customize them to reduce spam. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Tap on the three line at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on groups to open your group list. Here you will see all the groups you have joined. Find the group that you want to mute notification for. If you are part of multiple groups, make sure you are selecting the right one. Once inside the group, tap on the three dot menu at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Manage Notifications. This is where you can control what kind of notifications you receive from this group. Facebook gives you a few options for group notifications. All posts, highlights, friends post, off. If you don't want any notifications, select off. If you only want limited notifications, choose highlights or friends post. Once you select an option, Facebook will automatically save your preference. If you only want to mute comment or post notifications, you can go back to the group page. Find a post that keeps notifying you. Tap on the three dots on the post. Select Turn off notifications for this post. This way you won't get alerts every time someone comments on a post you interacted with. If you still get notifications but just want to mute the sound, you can go to Settings and Privacy in the Facebook app. Open Facebook app. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Then search here Notifications. Now turn off all of these options enabled. And that's it. Now you know how to mute notifications in a Facebook group on your Android phone. This is a great way to reduce spam and distractions while still staying in the group. If you ever want notifications again, just go back and change the settings. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.